everyone, I hope you're doing very well. Today I'm flying as a skydive pilot, and I'm going to take you through some of the things I'm doing in terms of preparation, meaning the pre-flight, the walk around and so on. But primarily I'm going to take you through the whole flying. I'm planning on putting a GoPro on my head so you can see how it looks from inside the cockpit when the skydivers or the jumpers or the tandem jumpers are going out. Before I do this, I do want to tell you that I already did the pre-flight, following the checklist and so on. So I'll just take you briefly through some of the things that you usually check on a pre-flight of an aircraft. First thing you want to do is turn the master on, or set in another way. It's basically just a battery for all of the equipment you need. So right here, that's the master. You see the light come on, and then you turn on what you need. So in this case, I want to see if the pitot tubing is working, so I'll turn that on, the navigational light, the rotating beacon, and the landing light as well. So then what I'll do is basically I'll go outside. Usually, people say that you start from the left-hand side of the aircraft, meaning up here, and then you check, is the landing light working? Check, it is. Then you check the navigation light on this side. Is it working? It is. Then the pitot tube. Now this is the pitot tube. What you want to check is that it needs to get warm a little bit, and it is getting warm. And then of course what you also are looking for is just the general condition of the aircraft. Is it safe to fly the aircraft the way it's looking? Does it have any dents in the elevator here, or are there anything that makes it not safe to fly? Now here, looking at the aft or the rear of the aircraft, you have the rotating beacon up there and the light in the rear as well to tell other planes what direction you're flying and so forth. Continuing around, does it look safe? It does. Now I must say, it's very dirty. It's very dirty, but it's not unsafe. Actually, you can, if there's so many mosquitoes on the leading edge of the aircraft, you can actually end up that you might lose a little bit of your lift, but that's not the case here. Going and checking the other side in terms of light, we see the navigational light right here. It's showing green, so it's good. And of course, always you need to check the stall horn. I don't know if you could hear it in the microphone, but you should definitely hear it in the cockpit. It's a warning telling you that basically you're 5 knots from stalling.